Hey everybody, what's up? This is Witebsky with Edina Realty with my on-the-go vlog. You can barely see it. It's getting dark out early here in Minnesota now, so the teddy bear is still there in the background. Don't worry, don't get nervous about that. So today I'm going to be talking about 9 things you can do to help keep your house feeling decluttered and clean while you're on the market. And what's awesome about this list of 9 things is that you can use this even if your house isn't on the market. I know I'm going to start using some of these things because, oh boy, does our house need some of this. I found this image on houselogic.com. I'll try to put a link in there or the graphic in this video as well. And here they go. They're going to be really quick, simple things here. So number 1 is wake and make. That's your bed. Wake up, make your bed. Number 2, keep it empty. And that's talking about your sink in your kitchen. Don't pile up dishes in your sink. Just empty it right away. Put them in the dishwasher or in your dry rack. Number 3, clean 1 room a day. This makes it not overwhelming. You don't need to worry about your whole house every day. Just clean 1 room a day. Number 4, hang a squeegee. This is for those of you that have glass doors in your showers. Instead of just hang it up so you have it right there, the squeegee right there. When you're done showering, you can just squeegee it down. Takes all of 15 seconds, and then you won't have spotted glass all over in your bathroom. Number 5, sorry, I'm going off a cheat sheet because I can't remember all this. That's why I keep looking away. Number 5 is assign a cubby to each member of your family. This is an awesome one. You can just anything that you leave out on your couch or your kitchen island or your table, your kitchen table, instead of leaving stuff all over the place, just put in your cubby. At the end of the night, you put it away. Number 6, unload when clean. So that is, again, talking about your dishes. When you are done, as soon as that dishwasher is clean, unload it. So that way you can get anything that had to be in your sink that's waiting to get into your dishwasher. You can put it in right away and not have issues with our number 2 thing of keeping it empty. Number 7, if you use it, wipe it. Bathroom counters, kitchen counters, your table. You use it, just wipe it down real quick. Number 8, snap it and shred it. This is talking about papers, important papers that you need. Most of us now have smartphones that can take photos, and there's lots of awesome scanning apps now too, so you can just scan a photo into your phone, scan a picture of whatever the document is into your phone, and then shred the paper so you don't have a clutter of paper all over the place. Your office isn't like overflowing with papers falling off your desk. And number 9 is create a doorway box, and this could be for multiple things. In the graphic, they're showing a donation box, like a Goodwill box. So stuff you want to get rid of, you throw in the box, and then you won't have extra stuff all around your house. It just gives you an easy way to collect stuff that you want to get rid of and donate. So that is it. Awesome tips for keeping your house decluttered and clean, especially important when you're in showings, but for a lot of us, just important that you want to have this happen every day of your life. And most of us probably need some of these to work on some of these tips. So that's it today. Hope that was interesting and helpful, and let's have some successful sales. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Bye.